Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Mercedes-Benz maintenance service schedule for 2015 and newer gas vehicles. The document that I'm going to walk you through is downloaded from Mercedes-Benz website and most of you should be able to find it online. Please note I have how-to videos to do all the services on my channel. Please see links in video description. It is not complicated to do and you can save thousands and thousands of dollars. As you may already know, there are two service intervals, Service A and Service B. According to Mercedes-Benz USA Service A should be done every 10,000 miles and Service B should be done every 20,000 miles. Also, there are some additional services that should be done every 50,000 miles or every 2 years, such as brake fluid change and spark plug change. So here is the breakdown of maintenance services recommended by Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz also recommend to perform those based on mileage or on yearly rotation. At 10,000 miles, which is Service A, beside basic check, you just need to replace engine oil filter and rotate tires. At 20,000, you repeat Service A and change two cabin filters called combination filter. At 30,000, it is basic A service. At 40,000, you perform Service B plus engine air filter replacement. At 50,000, besides Service A, you need to change spark plugs and change brake fluid. At 60,000, you perform Service B and change automatic transmission fluid. At 70,000, it is just Service A, and at 80, Service B. If you didn't sell your car when it clicked 90,000, you just repeat services based on previous schedule. That is all for Mercedes-Benz maintenance schedule, nothing complicated. Like I said, I have all videos how to do the services on my channel and you can save thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't forget to click like button and subscribe if this video was helpful, and have a good day and safe driving.